one of the front parking sensors started flashing a message on the info center that said please clean, and so I cleaned it several times. It's the central one here, the center left, and took it to the dealer finally because it wasn't resolving the issue. And you can see on that sensor there's a couple of little bumps. That's some sort of rock ding from the road. So I asked the dealer, since we had a bumper-to-bumper warranty, to fix it, and they said nope, can't do that. That little sensor is not covered by warranty, and the official fix is to remove the entire front fascia of the car. Lots of clips, lots of screws, quite a bit of time. The sensor itself at the dealer is $240. The total cost is $700 to remove it, to remove the front fascia and then pull out the sensor. So I did a little digging online and found that if you stick your fingers in here, you can feel the clips that hold it in, and you can pop out that sensor and put in a new one without removing the entire front end. You just pull the sensor out through this little hole right here. And instead of spending $200 and something at the dealer for that sensor, I was able to find one on eBay for $40. So after I learned about being able to just pop that sensor out through the grill and doing it very inexpensively, I was at the dealer and said, hey, I found a new way to do this. You don't have to do the 700 thing, taking off the entire front end. And the dealer said, well, may be able to do it like that, but the dealer would have to charge me the $700 price no matter which way they replace the sensors. That's just so. What we're going to do next is pop that thing out and put in a new one to show you how that works. So to get the old one out of here, got to get a finger in here and push up on the tab on the inside. Finger in here, push down the tab on the bottom side. Ouch. There we go. Takes a little bit of maneuvering to get that to come out the side here, but there's the part, and in order to take off the electrical connection, push up on this gray tab, get that pulled up, and then squeeze it. And that comes off. So before putting the new one on, you want to make sure that there's a gasket here that's around the sensor. And if the gasket didn't come with the new part, then you can take it off the old part and put it on. So they're putting this thing back together is just a simple reverse. Push that together, slide the little gray clip down, and then you want the connection on the outside. So then it's a matter of fishing this thing back in here, getting it to go into the hole, and popping it in. And that takes a little bit of maneuvering because you can't see what you're doing and you can only use two fingers. But eventually it's in there. And after you've done a little wiggling around, you finally get it to where it just snaps into place. And that's done. That's literally a 5-minute job of saving about $650. So with the new sensor plugged in, we can see that all the sensors here on the front of the car now are showing a normal operation and no longer getting the error message to clean the sensor. So you can put that new sensor in and it'll automatically resynchronize with the rest of them. So that job's done.